these are all the people that have come for the ride. What bass? Full slow you came up. How far have they gone really? What? Or I don't know if I'm going in the wrong direction. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. In today's video we're with Chiru and Saurav and their friends who organized a ride to a place, I forgot. It's basically it's a waterfall place. We're on our way there. It's in a short distance, but you know, it's like 40 kilometers or so. I just wanted to take the 650 out. As you guys can see, the 650 has not been on the channel for a long time. Oh my god. Ain't no way, bro. Traffic at this time, dude. So yeah, I got the Z650 out today, and it's been very long since I got this bike out. So you know, it's also like a Z650 kind of ride. But yeah, this is the first time I've been in such a big group. I don't know anyone else other than my boys, but it's fine. That's Saurav over there with his MT-15. Chiru is somewhere in the back, I guess. So this is Saurav over here. You're in my video.
Oh.
Yeah, right now.
Hello guys.
So these are all the people that have come for the ride, and a little more, I guess. Where is Chiru? I think he is the only one missing. Oh, Chiru is over there. What bass? Full slow you came up.
Not so bad. Battery did not turn on.
What happened? Battery thing. Kickstarter you don't have?
Huh?
Kickstarter. Yeah, I don't know the way from here exactly, but we'll see. So I just came around here, you know, day before or something with the Ducati, and then the engine light came on, and it was just too sad. Oh, the sun is shining bright. You know, Saurav was flexing that he's gone a certain amount of distance. Even Chiru actually, and Chiru over there. So yeah, Chiru around 900 kilometers to another state, I guess. I don't know, I forgot. Saurav around more than 150 one way, I guess. 150 one way, so 300 both ways, I'm guessing. I was like, I'm not really a distance guy, you know. I don't travel, and my bikes, this bike is like a street fighter, and my Ducati obviously is not meant for long rides. So I'm not really a distance guy. If you talk about top speed and you know stuff like that, then I'm your guy. But I'm not really a traveling guy yet. Maybe when I get an adventure bike or something, I'll think about it. But for now, with the bikes I have, I'm not really a tourer. I don't know where these guys are. I feel like I might have missed a turn. Yeah, I guess I'll have to check the maps. So yeah, this is where we are going, Perandapalli Forest Waterfalls. And yeah, I did miss a turn on. So how do I get back? Windlass is gonna be diabolical because it's a naked bike. So yeah, people who haven't seen, you know, the Z650 videos and stuff, you won't hear the bike because my bike doesn't have an exhaust, and the windlass is just gonna hit us hard. hope they're somewhere over here, man, because where else could they be? How far have they gone, really? What? Because the location is way back. Or I don't know if I'm going in the wrong direction. Yeah, they're going back. Man, what the hell? Take a turn over somewhere and go in that place, I guess. Whoa. I'm guessing this is where I should enter through. Why do I always end up in a solo ride, man? Alright, I'm on the right road. So we go straight. YouTube, please don't copyright me just because I'm singing random tunes. I don't know if they're actual songs, but I know you're not made for this, but bear with me. Holy shit. Oh yeah.